Hey David, how are you? Rick Mills with Execution Digital Marketing. Hope you're doing well. Hey, it was good to talk to you briefly last week. Like I said, I wanted to shoot you this quick video, 3 tips and tricks to increase and improve your online presence. So without further ado, I'll just jump right in. I want to respect your time today. Um, First and foremost, number one, I want to talk about content. Obviously, I have your website pulled up here. Number two, we'll talk about citations. And number three, we'll talk about backlinks. So, number one, content. Have your website pulled up. Love your logo. Awesome logo, by the way. But really nice, really nice little website here. You know, Number one rule of thumb with Google when it comes to content on your homepage, you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage. The reason being for that, when Google robots are scrolling websites, looking to find out, who has the most authority and who they need to bump up when it comes to being found on the first page of Google search for particular keywords, they're looking for that amount of content on the homepage. That's kind of the bare minimum that you want to have. So we always shoot between 1,500 and 2,000 words on the homepage, and you will see dramatic results because of this. So that's content. Another thing with content, I know that, the obvious, what you would consider content is your text here, all the words and keywords and everything like that. It's also, how these pictures are saved, right? And so when I go here and I click Save as Image, as you can see here, it's a generic name, number, sequence that the picture is saved for. Now, the reason that's really important is that that's just a missed opportunity right there, because Google scrolls that as content as well. And so if you have that picture saved as a keyword that you're trying to reach people there in Houston, it's a great way to get recognized and get ranked, and at the end of the day, get new customers, right? That's what this is all about. So that's number one, content. Number two, what I want to talk about is citations. So when we talk about Google search, we talk about buyer intent keywords, right? All I mean by buyer intent keywords is exactly what I typed in here, right? Water heater repair Houston. I just looked on your website. I picked up, a service that it looks like you do a lot of, that you definitely, do a great job there. So wanted to use this as an example. So somebody types in water heater repair Houston. Hey, they probably live in or around Houston and they need their water heater repaired, right? They probably need it done quickly. So they've come here to do their research and find a company that's going to do that. So the first thing folks are going to see are these ads. Obviously nothing wrong with ads. We do that too. We have successful Google ad campaigns. We do that all the time. But what we really focus on is organic results for many reasons. Obviously ads can get costly, right? And another thing is a lot of people have ad blockers on their browsers now to where they're not even seeing these ads. So again, what we really focus on are these organic results. No one's, the first thing organic results that people are going to see is what we call this Google Map Pack. And this is just 3 businesses that show up here with this map of Houston, okay? And so again, local, right? People instinctively want to see, what local businesses are around them, what local businesses are doing a great job that they can trust. And so as you can imagine, the 3 businesses showing up in this map pack first are getting a ton of business just for being there. And that's where citations comes into play. So all a citation is your name, address, and phone number, the way it's listed on Google and on the World Wide Web. Okay, and so again, when Google bots are scrolling to find out, hey, which businesses are, have the most content, are most relevant, they're searching for the companies that have these citations and citations that count. And so what we do is we have a software where I can go in and see, what citations, what directories. So again, citation directories would be, your Facebook page is a citation. Your homeadvisor.com profile is a citation. Your Yelp profile is a citation. All these directories that you have your company's information on the web, that's a citation. So we go in, we take a look at these competitors and we see what citations they're signed up for, right? and we make sure that that you're signed up for those citations as well. And then what we do is we double down and we get as many more citations as possible to, again, beat out these competitions. And that's how we get our clients ranked in this top 3 of the Google Map Pack. Okay, so this again is a huge business driver. A lot of business owners don't even realize the significance of being in this. But I guarantee you these 3 companies have done their work to get in there. So that's citations. Third one I want to talk about is backlinks. So again, as your prospective client and Google search person here is scrolling through Google, the next thing they're going to do is they're going to see what local companies show up on this first page of Google past this Google Map Pack. And of course, there's going to be your Yelp directories. Those don't really count. Those are national directories with local businesses. But people, again, are going to look for that local business. So what's the first local business we see here? Nick's Plumbing. So I'll come back to that and show you a little bit more information here. But what I want to show you is how backlinks plays into this and how backlinks get you searched on that first page. So this is a software that I pay $400 to $500 a month for. It's called Ahrefs. And what I'm able to do is put a websites in and really take a deeper view of how that website's performing. What's good, what's bad, what's room for improvement. So in just looking at your stats here, these numbers, there should usually be numbers here. There's a 0 here. This is the popularity of your website. The strength of your website has no data. So all that's telling me is, we need to get some work done on your backlinks. And all your backlinks is as you can see here that I'm circling with my mouse, you have 4 backlinks. And so all a backlink is your URL, so BortelloPlumbingandFixtures.com, that's linked from other websites across the web. And what that's doing is giving you, in Google's eyes, again, going back to those tricky Google robots, is it's telling them that you have significance on the web, that other websites and other companies have your website linked on theirs. And so again, that's powering what we really want, and that's these organic keywords. You're only ranking for one. I believe it's the name of your company, which obviously is great that you want to at least be on the web for that. But what I want to do is just do a comparison and show you what Nick's Plumbing's doing to get the results that they're seeing, why they're showing up on the first page, and in turn, what does that mean for them, right? What kind of business is that bringing them? So again, this is I put nicksplumbing.com into the software here. As you can see, they've got really strong numbers. They clearly do. They have someone like me that does work on their website. They have over 3,600 backlinks here, 3,640 plus backlinks, and you had 4. So that, again, I want to be very clear. You don't need to have this kind of number of backlinks. It's not about the quantity of backlinks. It's about the quality of them. And so what we do is we go in and find out what backlinks are really powering these keywords that you want to rank for and you want to be on the first page for, and we make sure that you get those backlinks. So real quick, I'll show you. So they're ranking for over 17,300 keywords. So I just want to show you what this means. And again, it's all about new customers. This is what this whole conversation is about here. But they've got a lot of buyer intent keywords that they're ranking for. Plumber Houston, plumbing Houston, Texas, okay? But I wanted to use the example that I used here, water heater repair Houston. Okay, let's see, I just saw it. There it is. Water heater repair Houston. Okay, you see my mouse there. I'll show you how we read this. So we scroll over, and where my mouse is, you'll see there 250, and that's the 250 volume of searches. All that means is 250 times a month, people type in this exact keyword, water heater repair Houston, right? Now we scroll over here. This is where it gets good. So what does that mean for Nick's Plumbing? out of those 250 searches for water heater repair Houston, they're getting 91 people that are clicking directly to their website, okay? And so getting their phone number, filling out their, their form submit on their website to get that business. So as you can imagine, they're getting a ton of business just on that one keyword, water heater repair. And why is that? Again, why are they getting this many people that are coming to their site? Because they're ranked number 2. That's what this says here, number 2. As you can see, they're ranking number 1 and number 2 for a lot of keywords. So again, in summary, we don't have to rank for everything, right? It's baby steps. Let's get 1 or 2 keywords that we rank on the first page for and bring you a whole lot of business, so you're not having to pay for ads or do things like that. But hey, David, I really hope this helped. I hope you get something out of this video. Like I said, would love to talk to you further and kind of show you how we do this and what we do. But if nothing else, if you can leave me some feedback, that'd be great. And I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks, David. Have a good one. Bye.